Hello everyone, back at it again with the one and only Dyan'van ribbing Okwake. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing and please subscribe. Tell your friends, family, and slimes to please subscribe. It's a different day, a different video. And we're back at it again with big Xhosa with Ikuku Endala featuring Ifani. So I feel like this is a remix from the previous song Ikuku, but let's get straight into it.
Baby, where to?
Wait. Baby, where to? What in a threesome is this?
She gives me cocoa, I make it, make that good. I make that good. She got that rap, yeah, tryna knit it up. She knows my name, but I can't on visa po. London no visa po. She knows your name.
Like I said, this is a continuation because it has the same chorus as the previous song of Ikuku by Xhosa, and I really did a reaction on that. If you haven't watched it, please go check it out. It's kind of hilarious. So yeah.
You make that good. I make that good. I make that good. I make that good. I make that good. Hey, I make that good. Baby man, that Tana man, that funny Tana man, that Tana man. It's tough for sake.
Istovu sakhe sivuta amalanga ke. That's Ifani there. Siphekwe eziko. Kuphekwa eziko sa stove. Sivuta amalanga ke. Got that fire.
It's tough for sake. 666 sivuta be. 666. She gives me quick. Sivuta be. Andolele. Life is not fair for simple people. While it's tough for second people. Sivuta be. Baby in the candlelight. Like your husband does. Cruiser. Madamini cruiser.
What the This is like adultery on another level. Like cheating. Uchi, Ifani just said, I love you like your husband does. So, Kunusa, Madlamini. If you have a girlfriend in Madlamini, guys, check up on them. Hey, they might be getting back shots.
Give me cool. I make it. Make that good. I make that good. I fuck for free. I make that good. Bitch, I am a sugar daddy, but I'm sugar free. I fuck for free.
I'm a sugar daddy, but I'm sugar free. What makes you a sugar daddy? Usually is those fat guys with the big bellies who got the guap, that AMC tender guys. Those are sugar dads. They probably have high cholesterol levels. But it's swekile. So that's why I say I'm sugar free. I got the money. But I don't have a high blood, guys. I'm not swekile. That's why I say you go sugar daddy, but I'm sugar free. Fire.
I make that good. Strong up na dali keke in the bus twali cream. I make that good. I make that good. I make that good. I make that good. Khabla pundi puns, khabla pundi pipans, khabla pundi pimpons.
I won't lie. The flow in that thing, fire. The flow, fire. Nasty. Ugh.
And I feel myself. If I see AKA, I'ma kill myself.
Wait. He just said, if I see AKA, I'ma kill myself. Just like AKA's girlfriend, she probably killed herself because of AKA's abuse. So he will kill himself as he sees AKA. Referencing the death of the girl. So his death is going to be caused by AKA. What? Uvukile Ifani, guys. Ewe. Spana solo gondimengo. This is a fire track. Shout out to Big Xhosa bringing Ifani back. And they did say the revolution will not be televised, but for your sake, it's getting YouTubed. Ndiyabulela.